Hi, I'm Brad. I'm a mechanic here at One Energy. This is Tech Talk. What we're trying to cover today is winterization of our equipment. And as you see, this is a truck, but it does fall under the category of equipment. What we want to check is pretty much the batteries, make sure our coolant is at the correct freeze point, windshield washer fluids at the correct freeze point. As you see, we already put new wipers on this unit. Those are important, along with your windshield washer fluid. You get all kinds of road grime in the winter. We'll also check tire pressures. Basically, this is what we use. Plug it in. It'll show you your tire pressure, and if it's low, you have your air hooked up here. Squeeze the trigger, and you air the tire up to what its specification is. Seems like as the weather gets colder, you seem to lose tire pressures, but mainly so the tire wears correctly. You know, tires are expensive. So this battery here, you check one of them at a time. This system's got two batteries on it, but you have to isolate them, so you can only check one of them at a time. So you got to unhook it. Yeah, just push enter here. It's in English. It's in the vehicle. It's before charge, and it's a regularly flooded battery. You have different options on there, like AMG gel, but this is just a common regularly flooded battery. And our cold cranking amp, hit that, and this one here is an 850 cold crank amp. So you continue to scroll up till you get to your 850. And this battery needs replaced, so we'll replace it. We don't need anybody to be stranded because they couldn't start it. We'll check the other one, since there are two on this unit. All right. This is a hydrometer. This one's designed to check your windshield washer freeze point. So all you do is get you a little bit up in here. And it looks like our freeze point is below 50 degrees below zero. So that's good. We also take this windshield washer fluid and as far as winterizing equipment, and we'll run it through our pressure washers so the lines and pumps don't freeze up in it. This is another hydrometer, but this one's for testing coolant. This one ought to be good because we just pretty much replaced it. Had a leak on the engine. If I can get her down in there. I don't know if this meter's working right, but it should be, because it's saying it's above 10 plus degrees Fahrenheit. So I think this meter is defective. It should be probably -20, -30. So we'll have to get a different meter and check that later. This is just to kind of say, okay, this is how you do it. But that meter's not right. Happens. And this piece of equipment we have here, pretty much do the same things, just the location points and the access points are different on it. Like the battery's right here underneath a steel case. I know it's a good battery, I just replaced it. It was bad when we checked it. Another thing I'd like to point out is some safety in the winter time. These steps and everything get really icy if they're out in the elements, and the grab irons get icy. if you can, you know, try and knock the ice off of them and keep the approachways clean. You know, just keep you from getting injured. And, I guess that's about it.